Welcome to English Daily Life, where you learn real English for real situations. In today's video, you'll learn how to speak English at the doctor's office. We'll show you 3 common situations. 1. A medical emergency. 2. A sick visit. 3. A regular checkup. You'll also learn the most important words and phrases to sound confident and clear. Let's begin. Section 1. Vocabulary and useful phrases. Here are some useful English words and phrases you need to know when visiting a doctor. Vocabulary. Fever, high body temperature. Cough, sound from the throat when sick. Headache, pain in the head. Sore throat, pain in the throat. Prescription, doctor's note for medicine. Checkup, a routine health exam. Symptoms, signs of being sick. Diagnosis, the name of your illness. Appointment, the planned visit to the doctor. Allergies, things that cause bad reactions. Patient phrases. I don't feel well. I have a fever and sore throat. It started yesterday. I need to see a doctor. Doctor phrases. What seems to be the problem? Let me check your temperature. I'll prescribe some medicine. Come back if it gets worse. Section 2. Scenario 1. Emergency visit. Let's start with a serious situation, a medical emergency.
What happened?
My friend fell down the stairs and hurt his leg. He's in pain.
When did this happen?
About 20 minutes ago. He can't walk.
Is there any bleeding?
No, but he can't move his leg at all.
Okay. Let's take him to the exam room. Can you tell me where it hurts?
My right leg. I can't move it.
Did you hit your head?
No, only my leg.
We'll take an X-ray now. Stay calm. We'll take care of you.
Section 3. Scenario 2. Sick visit, fever and sore throat. Now let's see a more common situation, a person visiting the doctor because they feel sick.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I've been feeling unwell since yesterday.
What are your symptoms?
I have a sore throat, a headache, and I feel very tired.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I feel hot and cold.
Let me check. Your temperature is 38.5 degrees Celsius. That's a mild fever. Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No,
It looks like a throat infection. I'll prescribe antibiotics and a pain reliever. Take the antibiotics twice a day after meals.
thank you, doctor.
Get rest, drink water, and come back if it doesn't improve.
Section 4. Scenario 3. Regular checkup. Now, let's listen to a general health checkup. This is not an emergency. It's a routine visit.
Hello. What brings you in today?
I'm here for a regular checkup. I feel fine.
That's good. Let's check your blood pressure. Normal. Are you on any medication?
No, I don't take any.
Any allergies?
No allergies.
How's your diet and exercise?
I try to eat healthy and walk every day.
Excellent. Everything looks good. You're in great health. Come back in 6 months.
Thank you, doctor.
Section 5. Key takeaways and quiz. Here are the most important things to remember when visiting a doctor. Be clear about your symptoms. Say when the problem started. Mention any allergies or medications. Follow the doctor's instructions for medicine. Ask questions if you don't understand. Stay calm in emergencies and speak simply. Quick quiz. Say your answers out loud or comment below. 1. What is a prescription? 2. How do you say you have a high temperature? 3. What should you say if someone falls and is in pain? 4. What do you say for a general health visit? 5. Why is it important to tell the doctor about allergies? You've now learned how to speak English with a doctor in 3 different situations. Practice speaking these lines again and again, and you'll feel more confident every time. If you find it helpful, like this video. Subscribe to English Daily Life. Comment below with a sentence you would say at the doctor's office. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy. See you in the next video.